Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Google Pixel to your Wi-Fi and set up backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your Google Pixel to Wi-Fi and set up backups, start by unlocking your device. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Tap on the gear icon to access the settings menu. In the settings menu, select Network and Internet. Tap on Wi-Fi to view available networks. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. Browse the list of available networks and select your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Tap Connect to join the network. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message. Next, navigate back to the settings menu. Scroll down and select System. Tap on Backup. Make sure the Backup to Google Drive option is enabled. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Review the data types you want to back up, such as app data and contacts. Once you've made your selections, tap Backup now to initiate the backup. Your Google Pixel will now back up your selected data. You can check the status of the backup in the same menu. Now you're all set with Wi-Fi connectivity and backup settings. Enjoy using your Google Pixel with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.